This one, nothing. So we need the brake sensor. Follow this one and this one, the brake sensor, and open it. 把它打开，把它剪掉。这个。Losing and follow the brake sensor. This one and this one. You can find this one. The brake sensor connect. Just disconnect it. 把它剪掉，剪掉。Okay. So I disconnect it. 把它松掉。这个也松掉。So this one, the brake sensor, and then this one, the brake sensor line. We just connect it, the collar of collar, 把它连上。And so you can see that, and we just connect it, the collar of collar. 颜色对颜色接上，分开，两个不要连在一起。会。干嘛吧？充电。Okay, this one connect. So this one is normal. 你也要刹车，你那边。When we brake, okay, this one grabs. So this brake sensor is okay, and disconnect it. 把它拔掉。And so now we connect this one, this brake sensor. Also the collar of collar. And this one. So you can see. So you can make sure this one have some problem. So now we need load this one. Lose it. And okay, you see this one. Lose it. Okay, and then 你帮我照着 and lose it. Move it. Okay, you can see. Lose it. I need cut it. Okay, and lose it. Well, break. Lose it. And Okay. Okay.